Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve problem 4.33 from Sadiku book. So the question is determine the Thevenin equivalent circuit shown in this figure as seen by this 5 ohm resistor. And then we need to calculate the current that flowing through this 5 ohm resistor. So we are going to find out here then the current that pass through this resistor here. So we are asked to use Thevenin equivalent circuit, so we need to find out the Thevenin voltage and then the Thevenin resistance. Okay, there are two steps to find that. So the first step is to find out the Thevenin voltage, and the Thevenin voltage is just open circuit voltage of that 5 ohm resistor. So we open circuit voltage. So we redraw the circuit as here. So let's do this 4 ampere, and then we have that 10 ohm resistor, and then for here I have 10 ohm resistor, and we change this 5 ohm resistor into open circuit. Okay, and we have to find out the voltage here. So as this is left open, so there will be no current that pass through here, so all the current will pass through this resistor here. So all the 4 ampere from this current source will pass through here, and that means that if we take this as our ground, the voltage here will be equal to the current multiplied by the resistance, that is 40 volt. So let's name this A, because there is no current that pass through this 10 ohm resistor here, so the voltage here will be the same as the voltage in the node A. So I will have the open circuit voltage will be equal to V, which is 40 volt. Okay, now this is the first thing that we need to save, and then the second one is to find out the Thevenin resistance. So when we calculate Thevenin resistance, we replace the current source with open circuit, and if we have voltage source, we replace it with short circuit. But we don't have voltage source here, we only have current source, so we will have this replaced as open circuit, so I don't need to draw that. And then we have 10 ohm here, and we have 10 ohm here. Okay. So if we see this resistance from here, that will be the Thevenin resistance, and we can calculate this easily because this is a series circuit. So we will have the Thevenin resistance will be 10 plus 10, and of course the Thevenin resistance will be 20 ohm. Okay, we have 20 ohm here, and so we can draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Now let's draw Thevenin equivalent circuit. So we will have the voltage source. Let's draw a voltage source here, and the value is here 40 volt, and then a resistor that is in series with this voltage source, which is 20 ohm, and then the load resistance, which is 5 ohm. right? I will have 5 ohm. So this is the load resistance. And then what more asked by the problem is the current that flowing through this 5 ohm resistor, right? So we can easily calculate that by using Ohm's law. So this is 40 volt. So I will have I is equal to 40 volt divided by the resistance, which is 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5, which is 40 divided by 25. I don't have my calculator here, but we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So I will have 8 divided by 5. So I will have the current will be 1.6 ampere. And this is the final answer to the problem. Hopefully this helped you to solve this problem. Bye bye.